Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel Teacher Said 2020. We are now at Unit 6, Time Out, from this book, Full Blast Plus 4. This unit is mainly about teenagers and their favorite activities during their free time. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? So in this unit, we will be talking about how teenagers spend their leisure or their free time with various fun activities. For example, parkour, playing video games, watching television, watching movies, and so on and so forth. Okay, when we turn to the writing section, you might be astonished to see the poster of the Ola Bola movie. And I'm sure some of you have already watched it, and even if you have not watched it, you know what the story is about. It is a story about Malaysian football at its best, sometime in the 80s, if I'm not mistaken. So for this unit, the writing activity that you have to do is, to me, very, very exciting, which is writing a film or a movie review. And that is exactly what we are discussing in this video. What is actually a movie review? A movie review means your opinion regarding the movie that you have already watched. It can also be said as your comment. Okay, so whether you like the movie or not. So after watching the movie, you might want to share your opinions regarding the movie. In a movie review, firstly you state your general opinion, whether the movie is good or otherwise, and secondly, the reasons why you are stating your opinion. If the movie is good, you provide the reasons. And similarly, if the movie is bad or unsatisfactory, you also provide the reasons. That is basically what the movie review is about. So, without further ado, let us turn to this page. Write a film review. Okay, firstly, they start with a discussion question. Do you go to the cinema often? Why and why not? What kind of films do you like and why? Which of the following will influence you most if you wanted to choose a film to see? Why? First one, is it because actors starring in it? Is it because trailers, film reviews, or friends' recommendations? So you can discuss that with your teacher. Okay, and then right after that we have the text or the movie, the sample of a movie review, and this time is about the movie entitled Ola Bola. So let us read the review. Ola Bola is a Malaysian film directed by Chew Ken Guan. It is a sports film which stars J.C. Chee and Chow Kwok Keong, the captain of the national football team of Malaysia in the 1980, and Brom Palare as Rahman, who would be sports commentator and the friend of Chow's. The film is set in 1980 and it is inspired by the true story of how Malaysian national football team made it to the 1980 Olympics. It narrates the stories of the players who have to overcome obstacles and personal issues on their way to success. Its highlight is the match between Malaysia and South Korea, in which Malaysia wins and qualifies for the 1980 Olympics. A special feature of the film is the careful attention that was given to the detail in order to make the 1980 setting look authentic and to help develop the characters' stories. But most importantly, it is a film that teaches us to never give up. It shows how important it is to put our differences aside and work together to achieve a common goal. I found this film very interesting. I think it should be seen not only by all sport lovers, but also by anyone looking for an inspirational story. So that is the sample of that is one sample of a movie review. It's about Ola Bola. Okay, and then right after that you have a few questions to answer. Number one, in which paragraph does the writer A express his or her opinion of the film and make a recommendation? In which paragraph is that? Okay, the writer stated his or her opinion and make a recommendation. Okay, it sounds like the last paragraph, right? I think it should be seen not only by all sport lovers but also by anyone looking for an inspirational story. I found the movie very, very entertaining. Okay, number B, give a short description of the plot and the setting. Okay, which paragraph? Okay, I think the answer is paragraph 2. And C, give general information about the film. Okay, general information about the film, first paragraph or paragraph 1, and finally comment on different features of the film, which is paragraph 3. Okay, so when we read this sample movie review, firstly we can see how the writer organizes the body of the review by organizing the paragraphs, and you can also see what the writer put in each paragraphs. Okay, so right after that we also have a vocabulary. This is a vocabulary exercise. You are given a few adjectives to describe the features of the film. Okay. Okay, below are some useful adjectives you can use in the film reviews. Use them to rephrase sentences 1 until 8. Okay, number 1. Okay, the adjectives or the words are unforgettable, spectacular, superb, original, unrealistic, disappointing, predictable, and terrifying. Okay, and then these are the questions. Number 1. I knew the ending from the beginning. So, what word can we use to describe that? When you know the ending from the very beginning. As soon as you watch the movie, you can predict the ending. What word can you use? Okay, the word is predictable. Okay, number 2, the costumes the actor wear are excellent. Okay, excellent. Which one means excellent? Okay, D. Or number 3, the special effects didn't seem very real. Okay, I leave that to you. Number 4, it is an experience filmgoers will never forget. Okay, what word is that? Number 5, some scenes are very scary. Number 6, the leading actor's performance was not good as I expected. Number 7, the film is set at the top of a mountain with a beautiful view. Number 8, the plot is interesting and unusual. Okay, so you can do that by yourself or with your teacher. Okay, pick suitable word to describe each sentence. Okay, and then we go to D. Film club you belong to has asked its members to write reviews of films that they have seen recently. The reviews will be posted on the club's web page. So you are that is your task, and here you are given a plan. Okay. You can refer to the diagram. Okay, when you look at the plan when writing a film review, follow the plan below. Okay, the first paragraph is introduction, where you give some general information about the film, the title, type of film, director, leading actors, and use the phrases given. And main part, you have 2 paragraphs for the main part or for the body of your review. First one, brief summary of the plot. Use phrases like, okay. Number 2, give comments about what you like or didn't like about the film, especially about the plot, the acting, the soundtrack, special effects, costumes, ending, etc. And use the phrases given. And then finally, the conclusion paragraph, where you state your general opinion about the film and say whether you recommend it or not. Use the phrases given. So, boys and girls, okay, this is episode 1. Okay, from this episode, we read one sample film review. From that, you know how to write a film review. Okay, what to include and how to organize the paragraphs. So hopefully after this, you can try writing your own film review. Okay, to me, this is the most fun activity in this book, writing a film review. Firstly, because you love watching movies or watching films, and secondly, you love sharing your experience with your friends. So I stop here. We'll meet again in part 2. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.